Let's explore the Grand Canyon. Hey there, explorers! Welcome to Whimsical World Wanderers. Today, we're learning about one of the most amazing places in the world, the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is one of Earth's most stunning natural wonders. It is located in northern Arizona, northwest of the city of Flagstaff. The Grand Canyon is one of the largest canyons on Earth. It is over 270 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and a mile deep. But how was it formed? It all began around 6 million years ago with the mighty Colorado River. The river sliced through layers of rock, creating this massive gorge. As the river flowed, it picked up sediment like sand and gravel. These particles acted like sandpaper, scraping away at the rock beneath the water. Over millions of years, this process deepened and widened the canyon, creating the breathtaking landscape we see today. But water alone wasn't enough to create the Grand Canyon. Climate also played a huge role. During periods of glaciation, melting snow and ice increased the river's flow, accelerating erosion. Over time, erosion by water, wind, and ice sculpted its intricate walls and vibrant colors. The canyon reveals 2 billion years of Earth's history. The bottom layer, called the Vishnu schist, is some of the oldest exposed rock on Earth. Above it are layers like the Bright Angel Shale and the Kaibab limestone, each formed in different environments. These rock layers hold clues about ancient oceans, deserts, and even volcanic eruptions. These layers reveal not only the canyon's history, but also the history of our planet. Today, the Grand Canyon is a symbol of nature's power and beauty. It's protected as a United States National Park, established in 1919. In 1979, it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its global significance. Each year, over 6 million people visit the Grand Canyon. They hike its trails, raft the Colorado River, and witness breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. The Grand Canyon is more than a tourist destination. It's home to diverse wildlife, including elk, bald eagles, hawks, wild horses, and rare plants. It's also sacred to several Native American tribes, including the Hopi and Navajo, who hold deep spiritual connections to this land. This natural wonder isn't just a landmark, it's a living classroom. It teaches us about geology, ecosystems, and our planet's incredible history. So, the next time you think about the Grand Canyon, remember, it's not just a canyon. It's a masterpiece of time, nature, and culture. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more fun educational videos.